Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, checking back in on gold daily and weekly time frame. So we had that bullish reversal hammer yesterday. Saw a fake out this morning, bullish move, higher high, looked great for confirmation, but could not hold support. So we'd still have this lower Bollinger Band as resistance at 1222.50. That's driving the price down. Key supports approaching. We've got the 100-day moving average of 1213.70, and on the weekly chart, the middle Bollinger Band, which I'll point out in a minute. So we have now seen 7 red days in a row, and the bulls really need to show up. And they currently are not. We're looking at the 5-minute chart here. Very tight channel. 1217.50 was a double bottom. We hit a low here of 1218.50, and 1221.50 is acting as resistance. So a tightening channel. We'll see where we get the break. The hourly chart shows that support attempting to be established, trying to get that higher low. If we break 1217.50, we are headed down to 1210 pretty quickly, in my opinion. But I'm not giving up on the bulls holding this support here. So the weekly chart, we have that key middle Bollinger Band at 1220.82. Where we close tomorrow relative to this level is going to be important. If we lose it, we'll see a bearish MACD cross with the candlestick open next week. And we can see very clearly 1206 is a must-hold support level. That's the low that we hit after the original breakout. Set up to a higher high, and if we break that level, it's going to be a lower low. So 1206 is key. 1213, the 100-day moving average, and that middle Bollinger Band on the weekly chart. 1230 is also acting as a resistance level on the shorter term time frames. So lots of work for the bulls to do. We have been watching both Dust and NUGT. I didn't like either for a clear direction today, but by the end of the day, it did shape up that Dust is forming these higher lows still, staying within the middle Bollinger Band bullish trading channel. As long as this middle Bollinger Band holds, we'll look for this upper Bollinger Band to begin to ascend, and we're going to see the starts of a potential trend change. You can see the Bollinger Bands were very clearly trending down. They're now leveling out and going to begin ascending. So as long as the bulls can keep these supports, they should go with that channel to the upside. And the weekly chart of Dust is looking really encouraging for the bulls, most notably in the volume department. Highest volume by far of the year. Volume climaxes often signal the top of an uptrend or the bottom of a downtrend. That's the low on that week, and we're going to see increased volume this week as we confirm that bullish reversal candlestick. It's the first bullish reversal candlestick that we have seen in 4 to 5 months. We've got our bullish MACD cross. Volume is huge. 10-week moving average resistance will likely be tested next week. It's going to be right around $20, and if we can close above that level, next target I'll have is 27.90. So we're looking at potential 10 to 20% gains over the next couple of weeks in DUST. As long as that middle Bollinger Band support holds, that can be your key gauge of strength. And if we were to break 1407, that would be very clearly bearish, as it would lose the last support level that was established on the first little consolidation. So that's what we're looking at for gold. Bulls need to show up big time, but Dust, even if the bulls do show up, we're looking for a short-term bounce and for Dust to be the play for a few weeks here. So I appreciate you watching. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.